Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very important process in biology, especially important in plants, which is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and algae use light energy to make their own food. This process is important because it produces food or glucose, which plants can use for releasing energy, and it also releases oxygen, which most living organisms need for respiration on Earth. So we know that photosynthesis is important. So now we move on to see where photosynthesis takes place. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast of plant cells. Most plant cells have chloroplasts. They contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs light energy, mainly from the sun, and can convert the light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in the food. So what are needs for plants to carry out photosynthesis? Plants need three main things for photosynthesis. They are the light from the sun or any light source, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through small holes called stomata by diffusion. Water is absorbed from the soil by the roots and transported to the leaf through the xylem by transpiration. So here is the word equation for photosynthesis that you need to memorize. So for the reagents, we have the carbon dioxide reacts with water. Remember, carbon dioxide is from air and water from the soil. So after photosynthesis, the plants can produce a simple sugar called glucose and also a byproduct, oxygen. So this reaction uses light energy and convert it into the chemical energy stored in the food. The glucose produced during photosynthesis is very important for the plant. Some glucose is used immediately in respiration to release energy. Excess glucose can be converted into starch for storage. Glucose can also be used to make cellulose for cell walls, lipids for energy storage, and proteins for growth which require mineral ions like nitrates. Oxygen is produced as a byproduct or waste product of photosynthesis. Most of it diffuses out of the leaf through the stomata, but some is used by the plant itself for respiration. In the picture, you can see that the aquatic plant is carrying out photosynthesis. Oxygen is being released as a byproduct which can relight the glowing spleens. The rate of photosynthesis can be affected by several factors. The main factors that affect photosynthetic rate is light intensity, which means how much light or how strong the light is. Other factors include the concentration of carbon dioxide and temperature. If any one of these factors is in short supply, the rate of photosynthesis will be limited, even if the others are at high levels. This is the concept about limiting factors. To sum up, photosynthesis is a vital process that allows plants to make their own food using light energy. It provides energy for plants, produces oxygen for respiration, and also, in the ecosystem, it forms the base of almost all food chains. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.